Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about powerful strategies for successful book launch on a budget using Amazon KDP. We're going to also cover why the first 30 days of your book launch are super important and how you can utilize the first 30 days. Now, if you are ready to launch your book, you've written your book, first of all, congratulations, you've crossed the halfway mark, but your work still needs to be completed. Now, the next step of the completion process is the book launch process, which is essential as creating the book. A book launch has the power to make or break your book, and a successful book launch, what it does is it ensures that potential customers, they know about your book and that you do everything possible to maximize sales in the first 30 days. Now, the first 30 days are crucial because it helps the Amazon algorithm pick up your book, rank higher, and allow more customers to view it. If you are an author that's just completed your book, you know the importance of a well-planned book launch. Here are strategies to help you maximize sales and exposure during your book launch period. Now, launching your book may seem daunting, but you can achieve great results with the right strategies and the right mindset. And my favorite strategy is to aim for a #1 release badge. And this strategy was previously shared by a amazing YouTuber that I follow who shares great tips about self-publishing online, and I will share his video in the description box below. And he shared the strategy of how you can get a #1 new release badge, which really helps with maximizing sales and exposure during your book launch. Now, this can be achieved by generating enough sales within your category, and this badge also helps to generate sales, and as time goes on can really help to lead to achieving the ultimate badge, which is a #1 bestseller, which can drive even more sales. Now, another strategy is utilizing a free launch plan. It will suit you, especially if you are on a budget. So start by researching Facebook groups where you can market your book. You can also contact Amazon KDP, and you can request additional categories for your book. And one thing that I've noticed with my personal experience with this is that Amazon KDP does list your books under categories that's not the right category. So please be mindful of that. Double check the categories that your books are ranking for. And if there's any errors, go ahead and correct these errors by contacting Amazon KDP directly. And you can also request additional categories for your book, depends on the relevance. Another strategy is to upload your book to a review platform called Sprout. And I've recently made a video on how you can get reviews for your Amazon KDP books using this wonderful platform, Sprout. And you can upload your book over there to request a review, and you can get up to 20 reviews about that. So you can view this video right over here as well after this one. Another thing you can do is add your A+ content to your book. Contact KDP to add 6 categories, and you can also go ahead and use Canva or whatever design platform to create engaging A+ content. Post in relevant Facebook groups. We don't see Facebook groups being utilized enough for self-published books. Go ahead and introduce your book and kindly request reviews. Now, what is one thing that you need to know regarding the book launch is, should you launch a free or a paid book launch? A successful book launch does require more than a free plan, unfortunately. So if you are able to, do consider investing in a paid launch plan that requires marketing and advertising strategies. A paid launch plan, what it does is it will help you to reach a wider audience, and it will increase your chances of achieving the #1 release and bestseller badges as well. What are the main takeaways of this video? First of all, the book launch process is a essential process as creating your book. It's equally as important. It would really help if you did everything you could to maximize sales in the first 30 days. This will help the Amazon algorithm pick up the book, rank higher as well. So it's like you're giving your book a really good kickstart to a successful launch. Also, a free launch plan can be effective if you are still on a budget. Still, if you're able to, and if you have the right resources, a paid launch plan will really help, especially if you utilize marketing and advertising strategies, then you will be able to reach a wider audience and increase your chances of achieving the #1 new release and bestseller badges. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.